Welcome back, guys, to DJ Outdoor Life. Out for a small test of one of the knife I got that I showed you for a while ago, and it's the folder from Cold Steel, the Fin Wolf. So I have been carrying this a bit around the house, and yes, just slicing things and doing small tasks with it. So today we're just taking a closer look at this one. We have unboxed this knife, so you can check that video out if you want to. But today we're doing small task, just going through the knife and taking a closer look. We're going to do some feather sticks with the knife. We're going to very light baton because you know it has a sturdy lock mechanism. I wouldn't recommend doing this with a folder, but I'm doing this for you guys. And what more? Yeah, some fire making. So if you want to check that out, guys, stick around, don't go away, and we'll take a closer look at the Fin Wolf. And there we have the first problem that I didn't think about, but I did think about it, but I didn't think about it when I started. As you know, you have the thumb stud, so if you want to use a bit more of the blade for batoning closer to there, you need to take that out. Otherwise, just move the blade a bit back and start over again. And as you know, you shouldn't do this I'm doing, because if this knife closes up on me and I'm not in control, it could close up and end cutting my fingers. That wouldn't be, it's not so pleasant. I hope it won't close up on me. But as you can see, it's no problem, just small light batoning. And there you can see the split. Yeah, I think you get the point. Small light batoning with small kindling should go fine for you, but I know many of you that even won't baton a full tang knife wouldn't consider doing this with a folder. And as you know, you have a Scandi grind on this knife. And it's razor sharp. Now the sun is hitting here. Just trying to find the right angle. It's really easy to dig too deep in the wood with a Scandi, for me at least. Yeah, I think you get the point. There we go, some feathers with this knife, no problem. There we got a nice pile of feathers in all kind of sizes and thickness. Really good to get your fire started. yeah, no problem making notches with this knife. You have a really nice tip for some finer task and carving out stuff, and yeah. But this Finn Wolf is a really nice knife. If I had to say something about the knife, it's that it's pretty thin. Using gloves it feels really comfortable. Using your hand like this it's also comfortable. But it's on the thin side, but that's a good thing and a bad thing, depending on what you prefer. I really like it because it makes carrying it really easy. You don't feel like it's bulky on in your pocket, but it's a pretty big pocket knife, but at the same time a small one, because it doesn't feel so much when you're carrying around. And the other thing is, when you put your knife in your pocket, it's tip up. So the thing is that this could catch on your pocket. It's a bit tricky to get it in sometimes, and also this could catch a bit. Otherwise, I really enjoy the Finn Wolf. And obviously one last thing to do with the knife is start my fire. Or yeah, test out the 90-degree spine that I really like on all my knives. So let's make a nice pile there. So here we have my fire steel, and here we have the knife. And there you can see the spine. Pretty nice, 90-degree. Hot, hot, hot. A spark caught my finger, my thumb. But there we go. Starting a fire with a Finn Wolf pocket knife, what you want to call it. No problem, guys. So there we go, guys. The Finn Wolf from cold steel. A small but big pocket knife. You could use it for small light batoning. Wouldn't recommend it once again, but it will hold up. Be careful. If the lock fails on you, you could get a nasty cut on your fingers. So be aware when you're doing that. Otherwise, what would I recommend? Instead of using this, if you only have, so you can get the job done pretty safe, is bring your axe if you only have your pocket knife with you. And you will spare your fingers some bleeding. Yeah, notches, food prep, fire making, all good stuff, no problem. And really enjoy this knife. It came razor sharp, so nothing to complain there. 90-degree spine, so you can strike your ferro rod if you want to. A bit soft steel maybe, so you will get some damage on the spine. And otherwise, would I recommend it? Yeah, really recommend this. It's a joy using this knife. Nice tip to work with. Once again, razor sharp knife. So my opinion on the Finn Wolf, is it a good buy? Yeah, it's a good buy. Just be careful with it. Don't do stupid things like go and baton something like I did, or bigger. Take care, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the small test of the Finn wolf. And I hope to see you back on next video. So don't forget, subscribe, share, and all the good stuff. And I'll see you back next time.